Hello, everyone. Today, we're learning about forest animals found in North America. In the forest, you find all kinds of animals, both big and small. Here are some of the most common animals found in North American forests. Say them along with me. Deer, deer. Squirrel, squirrel. Raccoon, raccoon. Rabbit, rabbit. Bobcat, bobcat. Bear, bear. Fox, fox. Possum, possum. Coyote, coyote. Hawk, hawk. Mouse, mouse. Owl, owl. Chipmunk, chipmunk. What other kinds of animals live in a forest? Can you think of any? Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe for more kids content. Be sure to look for Author Belle Green on Amazon and check out the Confident Kids Shop at authorbellegreen.com for more kids-centered fun. See you next time!